I'm playing Sonic the Hedgehog on my arcade machine, because it's time to do the Supercharger upgrade on the Mini. So let's get on with it. In this video I'm getting the engine ready for the Supercharger upgrade. I've already drained the radiator. I did do a video on the coolant change before, so I'll add a link to that if you haven't seen it. So let's get started. The first thing I'm doing is removing the brake booster pipe from the intake manifold. Now I'm removing the radiator. I'm leaving the top bracket connected to the cylinder head, as this will save me from removing the thermostat housing and having to replace that gasket. Next, I'll remove the intake manifold. It's a good idea to bung the fuel line so it doesn't leak. I used a bolt. Now I'm removing the exhaust manifold. Now it's time to remove the HT leads and the rocker cover so I can remove the rocker assembly. When removing the cylinder head bolts, it's a good idea to undo them in a cross pattern so the pressure on the head is released evenly. Now I can remove the rocker assembly and the push rods. It's a good idea to twist the push rods as you remove them so it breaks the seal from the cam followers, as you don't want those to fall over. Also remember to keep the push rods in order so you can replace them into the same holes. I use a bit of cardboard to keep them in order. Finally, it's time to remove the cylinder head. And that's it for part 1 of the Supercharger upgrade. I hope you've enjoyed this video and look out for part 2 soon. Thanks for watching.